To all you Go fans of My Little Pony, Friendship is Magic, and My Little Pony Cresticles, Rainbow Rocks and Friendship Games, I have another Twilight Sparkle figure, Twilight's human clone. You can see she's wearing a blue dress and shoes, but I noticed that the factory made the bottoms of the shoes pink, not black. And there's some wings. You can put them on her back. And on the back is the picture of her. Look. And down here is the other figurines of the ponies' human clones. 2 boxes of 4 new NB shoes. They're the same they are as the first pair. And I've brought this Bulldozer machine with 3 buttons. I just recorded them for an effect collection piece. And this came from my aunt's house. It's a Brother AX10 typewriter. It still takes the ink tapes, and at the moment I'm using some paper making My Little Pony Friendship is Magic Australia series 24. That's all I can tell you. I best do Postman Pat Australia. I'm narrating, and Super Dog Level 1 is co-narrating.